No, manual mode.
Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Studa RM-250 manual cylindrical grinder. It's hydraulic, but there's no CNC control on it. Capacity is approximately 1.5 by 10. These are precision grinders used to grind pins and punches.
Alright, so put it automatic. So go over to the shoulder of the piece. Bring it in. And hit the stop. Now slowly it'll feed in. And the head feeds in. Once it's done feeding, it'll start going. Cable will start moving.
There goes your feed. It's on a very slow feed right now. The feed.
Which you can change the speed of that.
Yeah. So nice small precision grinders. Check them out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.